I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the page uses a responsive foundation. Add the viewport meta and a box sizing reset so element sizing is predictable. Once done, constrain your main containers with max width and use relative units like %, VW, or rem to scale smoothly across screens. Also make images and iframes immediately responsive by setting max width, 100% and height, auto so they cannot overflow. These first steps reduce layout shifts and let you see precise size issues to target next. You now run a focused audit with DevTools. Inspect DOM size, check network for large files, and use layout to find heavy elements. Then compress assets, convert images to WebP or AVIF, and minify CSS and JS to reduce download sizes. Once done, implement lazy loading for below-the-fold images and iframes so the initial page weight drops. Make sure to replace large background images with optimized CSS alternatives or responsive src set sources. You finish by validating across breakpoints and running Lighthouse or page speed to confirm size improvements and performance gains. Serve properly scaled images with src set and sizes, push static assets via a CDN, and defer non-critical JS to avoid blocking rendering. Once done, double-check mobile hotspots and interactive elements for unexpected overflow. Troubleshooting tip: if layout still breaks, disable third-party scripts temporarily. They often inject large DOM or CSS. Isolating them reveals the culprit quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.